Good morning. Today we have a game for the middle to high school, and we call it Frisbee Keep Away. This is a lead-up game to Ultimate Frisbee, and this activity is a small group game designed to facilitate offense, movement, and the idea of making short, quick passes and using pivots and fakes. The objective will to see that the students can apply the throwing and catching skills that we drilled in previous lessons. You're going to need cones, pennies for the defense, and frisbees, and a playing field, which will be divided up into squares, either the field or indoors on a court, providing enough room for 5 players to move freely. First, you're going to demonstrate the short, quick passes, pivots, and fakes. Then divide your class into 5-person groups. Give them 2 pennies for the defense and a frisbee. The object of the game is for the offense to make 5 catches before the defense makes 3 interceptions. Anytime the frisbee is not caught or goes out of bounds, the frisbee goes back to the offense at that spot. The frisbee has to be caught to count as a catch for the offense or an interception for the defense. The catches or interceptions do not have to be consecutive, so you do not start counting to 5 or 3 over again after a dropped frisbee. After an interception by the defense, they give the frisbee to the nearest offensive player and play resumes. Once the offense makes 5 catches or the defense makes 3 interceptions, the defense gives their pennies to someone on the offense. This leaves 1 offensive player staying on offense, maintaining the 3 offensive players versus 2 defensive players situation. Players should rotate so they can play both offense and defense during this game. Let's modify it. After a set amount of time, the defensive players rotate to different squares to play against other students. We can change the number of students per group, enlarge or make the playing area smaller, utilize balls instead of frisbees, equal the number of defenders to the offensive players. Depending on class proficiency, transition into another lead-up game of 7-on-7, distributing pennies to all 7 players. Adjust ruling on drops and the number of completed passes and interceptions. Was our activity effective? Did the students learn the concept of moving to open space, throwing short, quick passes, and fakes and pivots? Did they also get an aerobic workout? This is a great game, and it will develop the students prior to playing a full Ultimate Frisbee game.